Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Nene, and today I'm getting ready to do another video using these new acrylic metallic paints that I purchased from Arteza. I did a previous video. I'm trying it again on a bigger canvas this time, 22 by 28, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm using. As you can see, it's going to have a black background again. Because I always think that these metallic colors pop more with the black background. Although I did do one with a white background. And it actually turned out really well. So yeah, metallic colors, the golds, the coppers, the bronze does look good on white. But anyway, hope everyone is doing okay during this time where everybody has to be distance from everyone. I've been noticing a lot of people aren't really doing that, but I've been doing it as best I can, except for when I have to go to the grocery store, that is. But anyway, I hope everyone's being safe out there. Please check out the description for coupon codes and links to products that I use. And yeah, that's it for now. So enjoy the video, and I will see you at the end. Thanks for watching. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So here it is. It's completed. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm very happy with the end results. At the end, I have the dry results of this painting. Please let me know what you think of this painting overall in the comments below. I love to read and see what you think about it. And also, I want to remind everyone to check the description for coupon codes and links to products that I purchase. I believe I have an 8% coupon for Arteza, 8% off, and some other links, like I said, to other products that I use, canvases, tools, things like that I use for all kinds of craft things that I do. Also, I want everyone to be safe out there. There's a lot going on. Life has definitely changed, and I hope not for too much longer, because this is just madness. This is insane. It's just everyday life is just crazy now. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you see the rest of this video. Let me know what you think again at the end, the final results, and I look forward to seeing you again in the very next video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Be safe. Bye-bye.